Get up off the couch, it's time to go fishing. Get up out the house, it's time to go fishing. Go and get the kids, it's time to go fishing. You'll be glad you did, it's time to go fishing.
Folks, first beach trip of the year, first ocean trip of the year, and Stella, all right? This is my home place down here at Oceanview. This is where I rock met. Y'all seen me. The action was amazing, all right? So, I got plenty of fish to clean. I got a 3.5 before I ride back to the house. It's gonna be smooth sailing. It's a beautiful day for driving. Some bluebird skies. But anyway, it's time for the big fish daddy to ski daddle. So as always, thanks for watching. Keep fishing, folks.
Get up off the couch, it's time to go fishing. Get up out the house, it's time to go fishing. Go and get the kids, it's time to go fishing. You'll be glad you did, it's time to go fishing.